Hello friends, in this video I will talk about syllogism. So each and every year questions are asked in cognizant from syllogism. So this topic is very important and usually 3 to 4 questions are asked. So if you are not aware of this topic, so in this video I will make you understand syllogism in very less time and in very easy manner. So watch the video till the end. So let's begin. So in syllogism, what happens is that you will be given some statements, and based on these statements, there are some conclusion, and you have to say which conclusion is true. Okay. So as you can see, I have already taken some questions, and I will discuss all these questions. Okay. So if you will see the statements, then statements are mainly of two types only. One statement that begin with some, that is some envelopes are gums, some gums are seals, some seals are adhesive, and some statements begin with all. So only two statements are there, and I will tell you some tricks with the help of which you will be able to solve this question very easily. Okay, so two statements are there, some starting with some and some are starting with all. Okay, now start. So statements are given, so how to solve this question? So usually these types of questions are solved with the help of Venn diagram. Venn diagram is nothing but simple circle are representing all this term. This usually with the help of Venn diagram. So how to solve this question? In this question, what is saying that it is saying that some envelopes are gum, some gum are seals, and some seals are adhesive. So let me represent envelope by a circle and say it is E for envelope. Gum by a circle, gums which is G, and then seals by S. So this circle represent all this term and adhesive by A. Okay, so it is saying that some envelopes are gum. It means some part of the envelope should come under gum. So whenever, now keep this point in mind, whenever statements are starting with some, what we have to do? So some envelopes are gum. So there are two circles, one for envelope and one for gum. And whenever it is saying that some envelope are gum, what you have to do? You have to intersect both these circles. Just keep this thing in mind, intersect both the circle. So there are two things are there, envelope and gum. So what will be there after? So this statement can be represented in this way. What you have to do? You have to just intersect both these circles. E for envelope and G for gum. So this statement can be represented in this way only. Because some envelopes are gum. So how we can say that this diagram represent this part? So some envelopes are gum. It is saying that some part of the envelopes are gum. It is true. Because if you will see this part, it comes under gum also and envelope also. So some part of envelope are gum. It's true. So this is very important. Whenever you are told to do like this, some envelopes are gum, you have to do nothing, just intersect both of these together. And now I will solve this question. Okay, so start. So some envelopes are gum can be represented as I have already told you, E for envelope and make an intersection with gum, G for gum. Now moving to the second statement, we are saying that some gums are sealed. So as I have already told you, you have to just intersect. So you have to intersect between gum and seal. Gum I have already shown here, and seal you have to make. Now I have made an intersection between gum and seal. It's okay. Now some seals are adhesive. Seal is already there. I will make a new circle for adhesive and represent it by A. So this is the diagram for question number 1. You have to do nothing else. So this diagram I have already drawn, and now with the help of this diagram, conclusion can be easily made. Conclusion can be made easily. Understand? So I have to say which statement is true based on this figure. So this figure I have already drawn. Okay. So I think it should be clear. Now first conclusion is some envelope are seals. Is it true or not? We have to check. Some envelopes are sealed. So where is the envelope? Envelope is here and seal is here. So for this statement to be true, some envelopes are sealed, there should be intersection between envelope and seal, as I've already told you. So some envelopes are sealed. Is it true? Envelope is here and seal is here. So if I will draw envelope, so this is envelope and this is seal. Is there any intersection? I don't see. Okay, so envelope is here and seal is here. There is no intersection between this circle and this circle. So this statement is false. Now some gums are adhesive. Is it true? gum is second circle and adhesive is fourth circle. Is there any intersection between both of these? No. So this statement is also false. Now this conclusion is also false. Now option number 3, some adhesive are seal. Is it true? Adhesive is fourth one and seal is third one. Yes, there is intersection. Some adhesive, this part of the adhesive is under seal also. So this statement is true. So conclusion 3 is true, which is option number A. So I think this is very easy and you can solve this question as well. Now moving to the next question. You can pause the video, I think, but I have not discussed this term all. I've already discussed some. Okay, so let me first discuss all and then you can easily solve this question. Now, so as I have already discussed what to do when the statement start with some, and now another statement that start with all. So all is quite easy. What we have to do whenever it is told that all men are vertebrates. So let me denote men by M. So whenever this type of statement is there, what we have to do? You have to make one circle inside another circle. Let me repeat, one circle inside another circle. So which circle will be inside? The first statement, which will be after all, will be inside and later will be outside. So all men are vertebrates. It means men will be inside and vertebrates will be outer circle. So you have to do just this thing. Okay, all men are vertebrates can be represented in this way. So this is very important. Okay, all men are vertebrates. So with the help of, and you can see also, because all men are vertebrates represented in this way. How? See, all men. So if you will take any part of the man, is it vertebrates? Yes, because it is inside vertebrates, and vertebrates circle is from here to here to here. All this area comes under vertebrates and man is here. So all men are vertebrates. Is it true? Yes. If you will take any part of the man, it is inside vertebrates. So keep this thing in mind whenever it is told, whenever there is statement starting with all. So the first statement, the first word which is all, after all will be inside and then second word will be outside. So this can be represented in this way. I think this should be clear. So I've discussed both some also and all also. Now all men are vertebrates. So I will make men here. As I've already told you, the first word after all will be inside, will be the inner circle, and the second word, which is vertebrates, which will be outer circle. So now this is the diagram. Now second statement, some mammals are vertebrates. I think now you should solve this part. Some mammals are vertebrates. So what we have to do? We have to intersect what? Mammals and vertebrates. So vertebrates I have already drawn and mammals I will draw here and I will intersect. So see, this part will not intersect inner circle. I will just take a part of it. Okay, and this will be mammal, MA for mammal. So I made an intersection between MA and V. Now conclusion, see the conclusion, what they are saying. It is saying that all men are mammals. Where is men? This is men and mammals are mammals is here. All men are mammal? No, because for all men to be mammal, men should be inside mammal, but it's not like so. Both are different. So the first statement is false. Now second one, all mammals are men. So where is mammals? This one is mammals. All mammals are men. Is it true? No, there is no link between mammal and men. Mammals are here and men are here. So this statement is also false. Now some vertebrates are mammal. So where are vertebrates? This is vertebrates and this is mammal. Some vertebrates are mammal. Yes, it's true. Because this part of the vertebrates are inside mammal. Or in other words, there is intersection between vertebrates and mammal. So option number 3 is true. And let me see 4 also. All vertebrates are men. Is it true? All vertebrates are men. No. All men are vertebrates. So see, this point is very important. All vertebrates are men is not true, but all men are vertebrates true. How? Because I've already told you inner circle will be first word. So for this statement to be true, all vertebrates are men, it will be like this. This will be vertebrates and men will be outer circle. Now this statement is true. All vertebrates are men because vertebrates is inner circle and men is outer circle. Let me repeat this. All this I've already told you. After all, the first word which will be there, it will be inner circle and the last word will be outer circle. So statement, with the help of this diagram, fourth statement is also false. So option number 3, only option number 3 is true, which is this part is true. So only 3 is option number C. So I think this question is quite clear. Now moving to the third question. And now, as I've already discussed 2 questions, so you should pause this video and try it yourself, because I have already discussed some also and all also, both the statement. So pause this video and try this question. Okay. So the statements are all the bottles are boxes. So let me draw. Now you should solve this question. I think you all would have solved this question. All the bottles are boxes. It means which will be inner circle? Bottles. So let me denote bottles by BT. So all bottles are boxes. So bottle will be inner circle and boxes will be outer circle. All bottles are boxes. All the boxes are bag. So all the boxes are bag. It means after all, the first statement is first word is boxes. So boxes will be inner and bag will be outer. So all boxes are bag. It will be like this, and it will be bag. B for bag. Now all the boxes are bag. It is true. Some bags are tray. Now I think you all remember, some bags are tray means there should be intersection between what? Bags and tray. So bag I have already built and tray is new term. So tray will be here, T for tray. So there is intersection between bag and tray. Now this is the diagram and we can see the conclusion. So some bottles are tray. Is it true? Some bottles are tray. So bottle is here. This part is here. Some bottle are tray. Is it true? No. Bottle is here and tray is here. There are no intersection between both. So this statement is false. Some tray are boxes. Some tray. So tray is this part. Some tray are boxes. And boxes is this part. This is boxes. BO for boxes. Some tray are boxes. No. Because this circle and this circle. This circle and this circle. Is there any intersection? No. So this is also false. All the bottles are bag. All the bottles are bag. So this is bottle. All the bottles. This second circle is bottle. So all bottles are bag. Yes, it's true, because bottle is inside bag. This is outer circle. So bottles is inside bag. So this is also true. Okay. Let me make it clear one more time. So first and second is already false. Now third option. All the bottles are bag. So just imagine yourself. If I would have told you to draw the diagram, all the bottles are bag. So what you would do? You will make bottle inner circle and bag outer circle. I have already told you the first word after all. Remove, do not consider the. It is all the. It is just a word. So after all, the first word is bottles and the second one is bag. So bottle will be inner circle and bag will be outer circle. So is it true? Yes. Bottle is inner circle, this one, and bag is outer circle, this one outer circle. So this is also true. So this is true. So option number 3 is true. Now option number 4, some trays are bag. So there means it should some trays are bag. For this to be true, there should be intersection between trays and bag. Is it? So let me see. So tray is this part. Okay, tray is this part and bag is this part, this circle, bigger one. This is bag. Is there any intersection between this and this? Yes, this part is intersection between both. So I think option number 4 is also true. So 3 and 4, which is A, only 3 and 4. So all these questions were from syllogism. I think it should be clear. Basically 2 statements are there. Let me revise all this. So basically in syllogism you will be asked 3 to 4 questions. It is confirmed. Every year it is asked. So you will get 2 statements. Some one that is starting with some and another that is starting with all. What we have to do in some? We have to make an intersection between what? Between first one and second one. So first word and second word. First is envelope and second is gum. There will be intersection. And what happen in all? In all there will be 2 circles. One will be inner circle and one will be outer circle. Inner circle will be the word which is after all will be inner, and the word which is at the last will be outer. So I think now it should be clear, and I will upload more and more videos. So if you like this video, so please subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys.